On this episode of Endless Roads, join me for the road trip from Ishasha to Mbarara, ending in Kampala. 27th and 28th of March, I was finalizing my 5 days road trip through Uganda. In the 5 days, we covered 1,513 kilometers, driving 41 hours 35 minutes, calling at 6 different sites that I wanted to visit. Day 1, we covered 493 kilometers, calling at Ziwa, Rhino Sanctuary, and the Murchison Park. If you'd like to know more about this experience, I'll be dropping the links of the separate episodes on the right side of the screen. On day 2, we covered 269 kilometers, visiting the Sampaya Hot Springs and exploring the Fort Portal area. On day 3, we covered 156 kilometers, visiting the Crater Lakes, arriving at Queen Elizabeth to do the boat cruise as well as a short game drive in the evening. On day 4, we explored the Ishasha sector of the park as well as drove to Mbarara that covered 321 kilometers. On day 5, it was the time to return back to Kampala, and this was a total of 274 kilometers, calling at the Igungu Cultural Center, the Uganda Equator, and then to my room at Banda's Inn in Kampala. At the end of this video, I'll be showing you my dance in celebration for a successfully executed road trip without any incidences. I couldn't help but dance to a local tune. Why do I enjoy the roadside, and why do I invite you to come with me on this journey? It's such a beautiful experience to observe the environment of the country you're visiting when you travel by road, because you can stop, you can take in things, you can interact with people. I have a different episode covering driving around Fort Portal. If you'd like to look at that, click on the link on the right side of the screen now. But for now, let's enjoy some scenery from the 447 kilometers between the Ishasha sector, Mbarara, and the road to Kampala. One tip I'd like to give you: on the way back to Kampala, be sure to buy some fresh fish if you love them, or grilled fish, as there were some traders and fishermen selling by the roadside on the road to Kampala. And also the fresh vegetables and fruits that you find on the way are recommendable.
So guys, more fish from Lake Victoria. It's really heavy. I'm fighting to keep it up. This is like a gym. This is catfish, 50,000, and I think this one's, oh my god, I don't know what they weigh, but it's really heavy. It's a lot heavier. So these should be like about 2 or 3 kilos each. I can't even hold it up, but very, very beautiful fishes from Lake Victoria. So if you are on the way, make sure you buy some for yourself and your family. Oh my god. Okay. Guys, it's Palm Sunday, so you can buy palm fronds to signify Palm Sunday, because you need it in the churches and the church service. So you see people all around selling it, and we are making our way to Kampala. Oh, where's my hand? How does it get? There's probably a church there. Yeah. Guys, look at those beautiful vegetables. Unbelievable, fresh from farm. Hello. Any more questions? Okay guys, this is fresh tilapia from Lake Victoria, and they're going for 30,000 Ugandan shillings per one. It's really heavy, it's 3 pieces and I can feel my shoulder already. You can buy it along the expressway going to Kampala. These guys get it fresh. If you're not going to buy the fresh one, you can buy the roasted one. So you see, if you are going back to Kampala, the lake is right behind me there. Make sure you grab your fish from this traders and fishermen, okay?
So I do hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Yours truly, Diesel81.